Hello, we are in the new edition of ISE in Barcelona. Here we are presenting the solution for classroom as this A30, that is a new concept that can behave as a document camera that you can use for your training, but also if you raise the head, it's automatically creating a field of view wide angle camera. Also, it's including 5 meters speakerphone with beamforming, with echo cancellation, noise reduction, and you can connect a second camera to generate automatically a picture-in-picture. Interesting for corporate and also for education. We have more models for document cameras and visualizers, that including wireless visualizers that is interesting to work in groups in the classroom. In this section, we have different models for auto tracking. That is totally plug and play auto tracking, that just teacher is moving and automatically is tracking where it's moving. In this position, we are presenting a new concept. It's a video matrix, 4-signal video matrix and audio tracking. This box is connected to the ceiling microphone and automatically position the cameras in the different areas of the room where the person is talking. So we can control, we can switch different layouts, we are doing here, side by side, or even having voice detection.